In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the map style in the Zillow desktop. Let's jump right in and make navigating Zillow's map interface a breeze for you. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log in using your Zillow credentials. Head over to your web browser, type in zillow.com, and hit enter. As the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the login option. Enter your username and password to step into your Zillow account. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look again towards the upper right corner where your profile icon resides. This is your key to accessing various personal options like your account settings and history. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Your Home. This selection is crucial as it leads you to an area where you'll have more control over your saved homes and search preferences. Now, shift your focus to the top menu bar where several options are presented. What you are going to do here is click on Saved Homes. This is where you can find all the properties that you've been keeping an eye on. Right next to it, you'll see the Search for Homes option, which is imperative for the next part of this demonstration. At this stage, you need to enter an address or area in the search bar to get the map to load. Find any address of your choice and hit search. A map featuring the selected location will appear. This is where the fun begins. Notice the map at the center of your screen? Move your cursor downwards to hover over the bottom of the map. Here, you'll discover a drop-down menu labeled Map. Go right ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to changing the map's appearances based on your personal needs or preferences. Once you click the Map drop-down menu, you'll see a variety of map style options available. You can choose between Automatic, which provides a standard default map view, Satellite, for detailed aerial images, or Street View for a more interactive 360-degree look at ground level. Additionally, there's the Climate Risks option available for you to view. This fascinating feature offers insights and overlays about potential climate-related risks in the area you're exploring. It's an incredibly useful tool if you're concerned about environmental factors like flood zones, fire risks, or temperature changes. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide on how to change the map style in the Zillow desktop version. With these steps, you can easily customize your Zillow experience to better suit your preferences or specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.